Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reassemble the rear arm. Of course, before you watch this video, check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to maintain this very car. But before we start with step number one, you need to remember about few things that you need to remove before disassembling the rear arm. It's of course hub, upper link, shock and the sway bar. Here are a few tricks that I want to show you. Of course, you do not have to disassemble it like I do right here, so it's completely out. It's only for the video sake, so you can see better what I'm doing here. But if you want to do it quickly and you don't want to take too many screws apart, what it's enough to do is to take out the bottom screw of the shock, the one that's attached to the arm. Only this screw from the hub that attaches to the arm only. It will just like flow away, it will wobble around, but if you are doing maintenance over your car and you don't want to waste time, it will be surely enough. But for the video here I want to be very clear and I want you to see everything. That's why I disassembled everything. And of course I also disassembled the rear wing. It's not required to do, it's only for the video sake. As I said before, you need to take this rear roll bar out. But of course, taking out this screw, unscrewing the drop screw and taking it out from here, it's a little bit annoying. What I like to do is just loosen the screw so you can release the sway bar itself, and you will just take this screw out when the arm is already in your hand. So with all of the information I just told you, let's start with step number one. And the whole disassembling of this car, when you prepare yourself, it gets pretty simple. Only these two screws at the back and you will take the brace off. So now you have the rear brace in your hand. As you can see, there are two plastic inserts here. They are meant to hold the pin. Why is it not a whole aluminium block? Because first of all, the suspension have an angle here. So if it's whole aluminium, it won't be able to bend here. The holes would have to be a little bit larger, and after time it will just wear out and the holes will get bigger and everything will get wobbly a little bit. So it's quite a standard feature on the competition cars, when you just simply can replace these plastic bushings and you are good to go with freshly rebuilt rear brace. This one here are pressed here very hard and it's a challenge to take them out. If you don't need to replace them, just keep it as it is. For step number two, we just simply slide it out, the pin is in your hand, and remember about this little washer, don't lose it. Now you can also take this screw out as we spoke before. So here we are, final step. You can detach those collars and of course take the set screw for the drop setting out of here. And here it is. Now you have arm completely disassembled from your car. You can clean it, replace it, do whatever you want. Of course, these collars can be glued back together with like an epoxy glue or cyanoacrylate glue. You only need to remember that when you do it once, it's pretty obvious that you need to buy another collars to replace the arm. And of course, if you want to reassemble it back together, simply reverse the steps. So the whole rear arm is now reassembled. It takes quite a few parts to take it out, but as I showed you before, there is a way to do it a little bit simpler. I want you to remember this one tip with the roll bar. In my opinion, it's far easier to do it this way. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow Team Coralli on social media at Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to ask us any question or if you need any help, please contact us via support@coralli.com. Of course, if you want to check this car and any other car in our lineup, visit our showroom war.coralli.com. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.
Team Coralli, engineered to be the fastest.